welcome to the channel. Today we're exploring a question that has sparked endless debates online. Is HTML a programming language? Let's break it down. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the language used to structure content on the web, things like headings, paragraphs, buttons, and images. For example, this simple HTML code tells the browser to display a large heading with the words, "Hello World." It's like giving a blueprint to the browser, showing what to display and how to organize it. But is that programming? To answer that, we need to understand what a programming language is. In simple terms, a programming language allows you to 1. Write instructions that a computer can execute, 2. Include logic, like conditions, loops, or calculations, and 3. Control behavior or respond to events. Languages like Python, JavaScript, and C++ are classic examples. They can perform tasks like math, decision-making, and automation. Now, HTML does tell the browser what to do, like creating a form or showing an image, but it doesn't include logic. You can't use HTML to calculate numbers, make decisions, or create dynamic behavior on its own. It's declarative, not procedural, meaning HTML describes what things are, not how they behave. So what is HTML really? HTML is best described as a markup language, not a programming language. It's used to mark up or structure content, not to build logic or interactivity. That's where CSS and JavaScript come in. CSS controls the style. JavaScript handles the behavior. Together, they form the core trio of modern web development. Many beginners think HTML is a programming language because it's often their first step into coding. And honestly, that's okay. Learning HTML is a valuable skill, and it opens the door to real programming through JavaScript and beyond. But technically speaking, HTML doesn't meet the criteria of a programming language. So, is HTML a programming language? Not quite. But it's still the foundation of the web, and every programmer should know how to use it. Thanks for watching. If this helped clear things up, leave a like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Is HTML programming or not?